Kevin right here, your golden option Forex educator. So I'm going to review the two trades we took on the previous week of trading. So it was from Sunday, January 20th till Friday, January 25th. We took the first trade on GBPUSD, which was actually rolling since January 18th. And the second trade on our favorite pair, GBPJPY, GJ. So I'm going to start by reviewing GBPUSD, uh, the trade on this pair, and after many confirmations, so here we had a break of our descending trend line right here, plus a pullback, and still the price continued to go downwards as we entered long right here, so we bought right here on this highlighted candle. In this candle you can see that it has a particular long upper and downwards wick, so it signifies market indecision. Still on M30, we're in M 1 hour on 60 minutes. It showed a confirmation for us and it landed right here in our support zone, so we took the trade and price when continued its movement downwards, but still didn't touch our stop loss. So after a couple of days of a negative movement, then it rised and touched our final destination. But before we closed, we secured some profits with our TP1 at 70 pips. And on Friday the 25th, we secured our, we arrived to our final destination with 100 pips profit. And with GBPJPY, we took 3 trades. So the first one being a sell, so we went short right here. We had right here a descending channel, and we had confirmations right here after price made a pullback, and we entered with 2 positions. So the first one was caught with 35 pips in profits, and the second one wasn't touched because price just touch our TP number 1 and went to our entry point, which was already at break-even, so we didn't lose anything. As you may already know, after TP1 is touched, second position is at break-even, so we secured 35 pips right here. And after this, the downwards movement was over, so we had other confirmations to go long, particularly after the break of this channel right here. So you see the upwards break and then price that came to retest right here with the wick in M30. So we decided to go long right here with our first TP number 1 hit at 80 pips, and eventually at the end of the week we claimed the big amount of 240 pips for this position that was opened on 141.1, but we had another third position right here, this third one that was open at 141.5 when market allowed us to re-enter again after further confirmation with this ascending trend line, because we have an uptrend right here which is characterized by higher highs and higher lows. So right here in this higher low, it was a pullback in confluence with our ascending trend line and our Fibonacci tool, so one specific level. So we decided to enter right here. We had many confluences and we secured some profits right here. So TP number 1 was at 55 pips, TP number 2 was at 144 pips, and we finally ended by the end of the week with another 170 pips. So with a total right here on GJ of 35 pips, 244 pips, and 177 pips, for a grand total of 545 pips. So GBP USD 100 pips and 35 pips as in a sell trade, the first trade, the second trade in a buy, and we re-entered afterwards. So we had 240 and 170 for a grand total of 545, which is phenomenal. It is revolutionary, as this kind of amount of pips, it's what the few profitable traders they achieve in a month of time or a month and a half. But we did it only in a couple of days within the same week, so it's totally incredible. We are really at the top of our game, and I really advise you guys to join us in our success and in our winning journey in 2019. So if you want to be part of the winning team, please visit our Instagram. So for the French people, at Golden Option, and for the people who are mostly English speakers, at Golden Option Trading. Or you can also visit our website at goldenoptiontrading.com. And I hope you had an amazing week. We've been killing it for this present week, this current week too. So I'll see you guys on the next video, and I hope you take the decision to change your life as well. Thank you, everybody, and have a good trading week.